Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do an easy chignon bun on long hair. To start, I'm going to divide off the front of the hair from the top of the head to just above the ear and clip this out of the way for later. Repeat this on both sides of the head. Next, divide the hair from ear to ear, making sure that you angle this upwards in the centre so it looks like an upside down U shape. And then just clip this on top of the head for later. With the remaining hair, split this in half and secure each half into a ponytail using a clear elastic band. Make sure this sits in the middle of the ear sort of height. Do this on both sides of the head. Then we're going to release that top section down and again make another ponytail in between the two of them, so you should end up with 3 ponytails along the back of the head. Next, apply some wax spray all over the top of the hair. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Then using your fingers, gently pinch and pull at the hair for more texture and volume. Now with those front pieces, I'm going to leave out a little bit of hair to frame the face. And then I'm going to bring that section back, twisting it towards the head and bringing it over to the opposite side. Then loosen up that twist by pinching and pulling all the way along it. Then just use a few bobby pins and I'm going to secure it on the left and right hand side. And then I'm going to slip one through the middle for security. And I'm just going to repeat the same thing on the left hand side. So leave some hair out to frame the face. Bring the rest of the hair to the back, twisting it towards the head and bringing it over to the right hand side. Pinch and pull your twist apart for more volume. Then secure it on both sides with a couple of bobby pins and slip a bobby pin through the middle. Starting on the left hand ponytail, I'm going to divide it in half and wrap the sections around one another all the way down to the end to create a twist. Then loosen up your twist by pinching and pulling every loop and twist until you get to the bottom and secure it off with a small elastic band. Only pull the ends part way through to create a loop. This just makes pinning the hair at the end easier. Then we're just simply going to repeat it on the other 2 ponytails. So create your twist, pinch and pull and secure with an elastic band. Starting with that left hand twist, I'm going to bring it over the top to the right hand ponytail. And I'm just going to secure it with a bobby pin on the right hand side and also on the left. Take the ends and pass it under both of the other twists, bringing it up to the left hand side and again securing with a pin. Now take the twist on the right hand side and we're going to take it underneath the middle one and we're going to bring it up the left hand side of that little bun we're creating, securing with bobby pins as we go. Take the ends and just lift up that twist above it and place it in the middle and secure it with another pin. With the last twist, I'm just going to roll those ends underneath so you can't see them, and I'm going to lay this from right to left along the bottom of the bun and then just secure it all the way along with a few more bobby pins. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.